today we are going to make the first simulator on Scratch. So let's start get scratching. So today we're gonna delete Scratch and we're gonna paint another sprite. And whatever one you name it, sprite one or a car, whatever I'm naming it. Sprite one and I don't know what color should I choose, and for the placeholder of the car, let me just a box, a rectangular, yeah. And I'm gonna make it smaller, pressing this and Alt same time, yeah. That's cool, and then set the size to 45, yeah, that's cool, or bigger, 55, yes, that's correct. And we should start with green flag click. Yeah. And let's just get coding. I'm gonna put a forever loop and an if statement here. And we should drag this K rest. Whatever you want is a W or up arrow. Yes, I pick up arrow. For beginners, it's easier to understand. And gonna make variable. So make this variable name is velocity. Okay, let's change velocity by 1. And we should duplicate this statement. Put it after this. Key down and make it negative 0.5. So it's not too fast. I'm like going forwards. So, and then set velocity to velocity times 0.9. Okay, and put move velocity steps. Okay, that's cool. Look at this. And now I can move right and left. That's cool. That's smooth. And let's get into the turn screen. So I'm gonna make two variables: turn right and also turn left. Okay. So got these 3 variables for now, and we gotta grab an if statement again. Or you wanna copy this if you want it. Yeah. Key right arrow. Change. Turn right to what should I make it? 1 maybe? Yes, 1. That's full. Okay. We put it up before set velocity too. So yeah. And we're gonna duplicate this, I think. Yeah. So key left. Turn left. Yes, make sure it's right. And yes. Got that. And turn clockwise and turn counterclockwise. Turn right is for clockwise, so make sure that it's right. Okay, we got that. I think it's too sensitive. I mean, it's not stopping. We forgot to add a block in the end of the forever loop. It's turn left and turn right to this times 0.9. So let's just do this. Yeah, now it's smooth. If you want the sensitivity of the turn left and turn right. Lower, yeah, comes up 0.85 or lower numbers, but the lower numbers, the more weird it gets. But this, like 0.85, it's not too sensitive. Yeah. No, that's great. Look at this. Alright, now we want to add a sound. So let's play pop sound and choose a sound. And this is the funny part. We're using a space themed noise. Okay, you hear that? Alright. Now let's, yes, so this perfect sound effect. And in forever loop, we're gonna start saying, not play sound. It makes a sound like a car. And we're gonna grab another green flag, another forever. We're gonna add a new variable. It's called pitch boost. Okay, pitch boost. Forever, we're going to set pitch boost to grab added by pitch boost added by velocity. Yes. So let's just add the code here. If velocity up arrow, I'm gonna set it to 1. And also if down arrow, we're gonna set it to. So we don't wanna if it's worse, then it will be more, which is more negative. We don't want to wait. I realized a mistake. Sorry, guys. It should be set pitch effect to pitch. Sorry, guys. I'll make it. Okay, so because it gets negative, we're gonna make it 0.5. Alright, now we're getting in. Now grab an if statement. Wait, if statement and greater than f velocity. I'm going to see the average velocity is 9. Okay, so if the velocity is greater than 4, if velocity is greater than 4, then set pitch boost to maybe 2 or 1. 2, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to add a block in the last one. Yeah, set pitch boost to pitch boost times 0.9. Oh, I forgot, this is not set, but this is change. Pitch boost by 1. Oh, change it by 2, so it's still don't get it. So not too effective, but change pitch boost. Oh, I know the problem. It's set not change. Oh no. Sorry, my fault. It's taking you to code. I'm very sorry. Okay, put that same numbers in. Okay, now once I click, we want to go to middle, so x0 and y0 and point in direction 90. Or I prefer 0 than 90. Will be for the forever. Okay. Okay, let's just manage 2.2. It's not working. Maybe. Yes! That's very cool. Now you get a fully working car. Oh no. We can add backdrops if you want. Yeah, that's all. You can hide variables. Yeah, that's cool, right? And that's all for today's code. And see you guys in another coding episode. Bye.